Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and making the boot media. Check RAM, disk-free space, and health. This prevents failing mid-install. Create a Windows 11 USB with Media Creation Tool or Rufus configured for GPT and UEFI. Once created, reboot into UEFI, set USB as first boot device, and temporarily disable Secure Boot if the installer complains. Make sure to unplug external drives and peripherals so the installer targets the correct disk. This reduces driver conflicts and accidental format of the wrong volume. You proceed with the installer and handle mid-process failures methodically. If setup stops, choose Repair Your Computer, then start up Repair or System Restore to revert bad states. If boot records are corrupt, open Command Prompt and run bootrec commands to fix MBR, write a new boot sector, scan, and rebuild BCD. Next, run chkdsk on the target partition to repair file system errors. If setup still fails due to drivers, load vendor SATA/NVMe drivers from a USB when the installer asks. This resolves device detection problems. You finish by performing the clean install or confirming recovery worked. If you choose clean install, delete partitions only on the intended disk, create a new partition, and proceed. This removes residual errors. After setup, immediately install chipset and storage drivers, run Windows Update, and inspect Device Manager for warnings. If the installation still fails repeatedly, run memtest for RAM, swap SATA/NVMe cable or port, and recreate the USB on another stick. Hardware faults or a corrupt image are often the hidden cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.